Okay, friends. Now we'll move on to the quickly the one more problem. We'll share the first questions now. This is very interesting problem actually. Stepped beam. How to, because so we solved yesterday some stepped problem, three stepped bar and some tapered bar problems. Similarly here, we are having I take on an interesting problem actually. Stepped beam. Okay, with some UDL load is there and some point load is there. Okay, and also I can show here only some external moment also how to apply. Yeah, moment also is there here at node number 3. Okay, first zoom. This problem is visible to all. Hello, friends. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's visible, sir.
Yeah. Now see here. Before solving any problem in FEA, first you should understand here. Okay, how many nodes are there here? Okay, how many cross sections are there here? How many are there actually here to see here, all of you? I should take compulsory. Location of nodes is very important concept in the discretization actually, because at the point of load, all of you, where load is there, there may be maximum stress will be there, deformation will be there. Then how many nodes, how many elements actually here?
5 nodes.
5 nodes. Then this load is not there actually here. Then this is not there. Yeah. Hello friends, this is a mistake actually. Please rectify here. There is no load here. Suppose here also one load is there. Then what to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nodes. It will happen actually. Okay, because I skipped this by mistake. This figure came actually here. This load is there. Only one UDL is there. Okay, and I'm using some roller supports and some here. This node number 1 is fixed here. And okay, now can you solve this problem now? And it is a, what kind of beam is there? It is actually rectangular beam. That 20 by 30 is there. Cross section area 40, 50. This is all same 20, 30. Okay. Now I will solve this problem now. Go to the quick fast. So wherever change is there, I will explain. Then now I will skip the explanations. You just observe. Element type. Then we need a not a link here. Beam element 188. Beam no 2 no 188. Or you can also take higher order element. 118 also is there. But that SFT BMD codes may be vary. Okay. Every element type the codes are different actually here. Now metal models, structural. How much is the Young's models given actually? You can see the figure. Young's models is not given. Yeah, here all the Young's models are same. No, not. Yeah, E1 is here. It's very interesting problem actually. E1, E3, 1, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, 2E5 is there, and second element here. There are, see here, I taken the two Young's models are there here. Okay, and once again it is a composite beam. What to do around actually here? This here 1, no, element number 1. Okay, then 3, 4. Okay, and the second element is there. Middle element I can take a 1.9 E5. Okay, just for your things I taken actually E1, E3, E4, 2 E5. Now you can take two metal model. Huh? Metal model, the EX how much? 2E5. 2E5. 0.3. Enter 0.3. 0.3. Okay, then okay. Then take one more metal model actually. New model. 2. Then isotropic. This is 1.95. 1.95. Sorry. 1.95 into E5. Okay, 0. Fine. Next, coming to the sections, being then common sections. Then see here. Here in the previous problem, only one ID is there, but here this is ID1. Oh, then ID2, then ID3. 3 IDs I should take actually here. Now see here in ID1, that means first cross section here. How much? 20 and 30. Okay, then apply. Then I change the ID to, ID means actually the second cross section of the beam actually here. Second ID, how much? The enter the value 40, then 50, apply. Okay, third one, once again 20 and 30. Okay, apply, then okay. Okay, then because of here no need to give the real constant in the beam problems, because we should select the cross section of the beam itself. Now go to the modeling, create key point, active coordinate systems. First always 0, node number 1 is 0, apply. Okay, no need to give 0. Node number 2 means how much length is given actually? Enter the 200, how much?
100.
Yeah, 200. Next, node number 3, plus 200. You can give expression also, you can write plus also. Okay, 200 plus 400, apply. Then node number 4, then you can add the expressions extra,
100.
plus raise it done. So sometimes like this, the whatever the window will get disappears. Then what to do? Go to that raise hidden button. Okay. Then plus node number 5 plus 100.
Why this 100 means?
Okay.
Why this 100 means here? You have to have distance.
ಯಾವುದು
ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ. 100 ಸಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ನೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೈಸ್ ಹಿಡನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ನೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 plus 100. Or you can add it total. Okay, some obsolete programming like method. You can add total and you can give it also. Okay, there are 6 nodes are there, then 5 elements. Now what to do?
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಐಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್
ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Okay, now by mistake actually we created element. Then how to delete means actually how we have created a same method. You go to delete option here. Okay, what we made actually, we want the line only. Select this lines. I want to delete. Why? Because in the 2 to 3 that line is what actually ID 2 I want to take actually here. Okay, I want to create the attribute. I want to change it here. Just I delete it actually here. Then once again go for create. Okay, lines. So not before creating lines I want to change the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್
ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ನೋಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 1 minute. ಯಾ
ನೋಡೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್, because different areas are there here.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Because if you take this here in the geometry model, that is not possible. That option is not given actually here. Change the attributes actually. Then what to do? You should solve this problem directly with node and elements. Hello friends, are you getting here? Because here we are now unable to change the attributes actually here. Okay, directly line means what happens actually? ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Only 1 meter changes.
In the elements means, but now we can't draw the elements without nodes. Okay, see here, no nodes are created. You can't draw the elements. First, you should create the nodes actually here. Then what to do? See here, what are the node key point I generated actually? Instead of create, what to do? Delete. What to delete means, see here, I will take the option. One beautiful option is there. Line and below here, all line and all the. You can take here all, pick all. The whole thing is that means all the key points and all the lines are deleted actually here.
Then right click.
Okay, then
Right click.
once again replot it. You can check it here whether it is there or not. Still, yeah, if still all are not clicked actually. Key point also similarly pick all. Okay, replot. Now see here the completely we deleted all the key point and line. Once again directly you can solve this problem, this stepped beam problem by using directly create a nodes only directly. Nodes, active coordinate systems. Then first node 0, no need to enter, directly apply. Node number 2 200, apply. Node number 3 200 plus 400 means 600. You can add it, you can give mathematical expressions, so you can add it, apply. Node number 4 700, 500 idella. Node number 4 600 plus 500 means 1100. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ 700.
ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೋರ್ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆಪ್ಪ 600 plus 100 700. ಅಲ್ಲಿ pick button, raise hidden button. Now you can give the 700 actually. Apply. And the last one is node number 5 800. Okay, now we got the, now go for elements. Element attributes already one is there by default. Okay, no need to change. Then auto numbered through nodes 1 and 2, apply. Then okay, and next go to attribute here, take the what actually here, section number 2 and material also change actually. Apply. Yeah, okay, next apply. No need to give next attribute, change the material one only. Last two metals are the same exponents is there. 3 and 4, then 4 and 5, because 4 and 5 is the same real constant is there, same metal is there. Then you can use that. No need to change the attributes. Hello friends, then modeling is finished. Okay, now here no need to do the meshing here. Okay, anyway, I told already you can solve any beam problem directly with node and elements, or you can go for key point and this also. But here because stepped problem and stepped bar and here the different metals are given actually. Now apply the loads boundary conditions actually here. Apply, and you can check the cross section actually, stepped beam came or not before applying loads. Okay, or you can apply later also. Go to style, size and shape, make it on. By default the software is off actually. Go to plot, replot, plot elements. Yeah, now we got the stepped beam problem. Now go apply the loads actually here. Yeah, the loads what actually load number 1 RDF is there, and sorry, Mohit explain.
Hello. After that we select given out the first we have node number 1 is all degree of freedom fixed, and node number 2 and 3 is rotational is there. I will explain how to give that earlier. After that select define load, apply, then structural displacement on nodes. In that we have to select node number 3 and 2. In that apply. This is not a all degree of freedom, it is roller supporter na, just you have to see in that graph. This is roller supporter, so you have to give roller supporters right hidden, and in that u of x, u of y, u of z, and rotational of x and rotational of y. Don't give the rotational of z because in that problem we are given bending moment is there na, so don't give that. So once we have completed, then apply. After that anyone is there in that this load and apply. This is in rotational knot is there, then this is only in u of y axis. So then you have to give apply. Given na, just match it. Sorry, 1 second, you don't get it na, though I will play lines. Sorry, cancel. Plus one. After that, another node is fixed na RD of in that. With node, third node number 1 is in that. Okay. This one also all degrees of freedom. Okay. Then okay. Everything is fixed. Now we are giving the loads. Displacement is over. Now it is force and moment. Force and moment on nodes. Pick there are one UVL load and one another is point load is there. Point load here is in node number 4. Select the node number 4, then apply. Which direction? This is given in a negative y direction. Means the quadrantically this comes in negative. Means down. Sorry, by mistake it is gone. So wait, raise it. So node number sorry. Node apply, select and apply. This is y direction. In that downward force is there na. Downward force how much is there? 20 kilonewton. 20 E3 minus means sorry 20 E3 minus means downward direction force is there. Then apply. Then it is comes downward direction na. Another one is there, UL point load is there. Then go apply, sorry, go. Box, select. After that
UDL pressure ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದೆ
point load pressure
surface load ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
sorry, after cancel. Then
go to the pressure. UDL means it is the surface load.
Point load is there. A point load on beam. Select box type. After that select the box and apply. Load condition already one is given. Second load condition is there, so you have to give 2 and same is everything is end to end is same 50 E3. Okay, sir. This one also 50 E3. Then apply. Okay. And the load.
Because only one it is the
Uniform.
It is the one element is there.
After that go to the solve and give, take the solution. Current linear solution is there. Take LS1. Solution is done. Till now everything is fine. Now we are entering in the general post processor. In that first we have to create the element table data. So now we are giving the z direction also na momentum. Sorry, you are not given momentum is there. One momentum is there. One second, does not define. Then structural force and moment. Then nodes. Select the node number. This one. Then you apply. Then mz is there. Always the momentum is z direction, and then the value of the momentum is. This is 100 kilonewton meter. In that is it is anti-clockwise na. So you have to give in positive.
Clockwise means negative.
Clockwise means negative. No, so go and node pick apply mz 100 only 100 only 100. Then okay. It is not the point is given, but in the geometry not shows accurately. And then go solution. Once again give the solve current linear solution. Okay, solution is done. So now we are entering into the general post processor. First we have to create the element table data. Go to the element table, then define table. Similar last problem whatever is there sequence.
Because the element type is B188, then same codes are going to use here.
2 apply. Then second one is there 2 and 15 is there. Apply. After that you have to go 6 and 19. This is for shear force. Okay, close. Then you have to go then plot result. Deform undeformed shape is also is there. How to the deflection is taken in the beam. Because of the point load is acting here na, the failure of the beam is possible here. Now once again we have to show the geometry. The point load is given 20 kilonewton here, na. So the beam taken chance failure in here only. This is a deform and deform shape result. And after that once again we have to show deform and deform. Okay, then counter plot, then nodal solution. If you want DOF solution in that displacement of some vector. Okay, this is whatever failure chances occurring in the beams. So after that you have to go line element table data, then give the shear force. Sorry, this is a bending moment. Okay, force into distance. Here no force, there is no bending moment. After that go to the shear force, then okay, this is our shear force diagram.